Prosciutto and Melon Risotto, recipe for a fresh and original summer starter. Preparation, 10 min. Cooking, 25 minute. Servings, 4 people. Carnaroli rice 320 grams, cantaloupe melon flesh 350 grams, thin slices of prosciutto crudo 120 grams, Fiocchi di Latte or Robiola cheese 100 grams, vegetable broth, or water. 5 liters. Small white onion 1, dry white wine 1/2 glass, extra virgin olive oil 3 tablespoons, salt, pepper, thyme. Prosciutto and Melon Risotto is a summer dish with vibrant shades, easy to prepare, and very flavorful. This first course draws inspiration from the traditional Italian appetizer, combining the sweet and juicy taste of seasonal melon with high-quality raw prosciutto. To add a touch of creaminess, fresh cheese is incorporated. A fusion of flavors reminiscent of the classic pairing of melon and prosciutto is transformed into a unique gustatory experience due to the enveloping texture of the risotto. An ideal option for hot days, where the freshness of the melon harmonizes with the savory character of the prosciutto and the delicacy of the cheese, creating a balance of tastes and sensations. How to prepare prosciutto and melon risotto. Divide the melon in half. Cut it into wedges. Remove the inner part with the seeds using a knife. Peel off the outer skin. Dice the melon flesh. In a non-stick pan, pour a drizzle of oil and the chopped onion, lightly browning it, then add the rice. Toast it for a few minutes and deglaze with white wine, allowing the alcohol to completely evaporate. Pour in a ladle of hot vegetable broth or water and continue cooking until it has dried out. Repeat this process each time the liquid is absorbed. Meanwhile, roll up the slices of raw prosciutto and slice them into thin strips. Place the raw prosciutto in a non-stick pan without adding any fat and cook it until crispy. Stir the rice frequently until it's cooked but still slightly firm, al dente. Near the end of cooking, add the diced melon. Mix to perfectly combine the ingredients. Add the crispy prosciutto, reserving some strips for final decoration. Season with salt and pepper. Remove the pan from heat and stir the risotto with the Fiocchi di Latte or Robiola cheese. Plate the risotto and garnish with the reserved crispy prosciutto strips and a few sprigs of thyme. The prosciutto and melon risotto is ready to be served. Follow our channel for more delightful recipes and culinary inspiration.